celebration of our merger between the DSWD and the DILG. This day is actually a momentous event because we will be highlighting the partnership between these two agencies.
Wanted to meet them personally as we wanted to relate the message of this 2027.
Kumbaga sa ato ang ginanito pa, informing sa Bisaya pa, yung hukmuan, no? Yung hukmuan sa ako ang mga municipalities, and naku ako ang pagpasalamat niyang Lapita. And of course, our DILG Provincial Director.
So, we know that Republic Act 11310 was
DILG DSWD JMC 2002
ng Repartawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program or 4Ps.
You see, the program doesn't only suffice our financial needs, but it also helps us meet our needs socially and intellectually. The program helped me enrich my life story. That is why I am forever grateful to all the prime movers of the said program.
This program has been a life-changing experience for me and for my family. It has not only provided us with financial assistance, but it also has given us hope for a brighter future.
Malipayon ko kamutarot sa inyong atubangan, pagpamatuod nga adunay dakong tabang ang maong programa.
Everyone, please on the right hand. Our pledge of commitment to this program. Please follow after me. The LGU partners of the Repartawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program.
Commit to support and implement the DSWD DILG JMC 001-2022.
LGU support to the implementation of the 4Ps through timely accomplishment of the LGU's monitoring tool, therefore contributing to the realization of collaborative, coordinated, and harmonized support, shepherding the 4Ps households towards improved level of well-being. So help us God.
Excited or I know how happy kung sa interesado sa itong government namutaba.
Responsive interventions to address issues and concerns, especially for children of 4Ps beneficiaries, in terms of health, education, and nutrition.
Mapatagdo na to ato ang mga sangguniang bayan, no? To have that ordinance, no, relative sa ato ang implementation of the program. No, so daghang salamat kanato